very serious. I will finger your mom. Hello. Okay, let's go. Slam versus Mem. Okay, no. So we have a more campy. Jag tror vi ska kolla där. We have a more campy team comp. Oh, okay, that SD was so legit. We have like a. Oh my god. Denied that ass. So, just stare intensely to the screen. And then hope you say something smart. Or else your police brain work. Only this time, please. I haven't asked for much. But this time, please. Oh, nice. Oh, slams. SDs. The S-dick. S-dick. The self-dictation. What? That doesn't make any sense. Oh, F smash. Oh, the get up attack. Oh, up there. Till up there. Oh, nice. Oh, F smash. Oh, much good. Very ass. Oh, no. Oh, forward throw. Oh, that's smart. To come. Oh.
We don't take those.
We don't take those. We have no take opportunity in this game. This game very hard to play. Sakurai take away take. He make whole stage no take zone. He think that Zelda is OP, no bufferino for Senorino. She frame -2 on fair. Zelda frame +7000 on neutral air. Very smart, but balance. Oh, no punish on that whiffed up B. Nice combo by Miguel. Made. Oh, that forward air looking extra crisp from crisp to the mega move. Oh, whoa. That a B killed at 130. Damn. Well, but he's a heavyweight. Oh, he got wrecked, brother. Oh, wrecked again. Oh, let's see the down air. Let's see the down air. Yeah, that's what happens when you play with the fingering Warheart. The drunken master. Oh! It's a dub here. That was the shortest laugh of all time. Oh, 1-0 this guy. I am very #1 player in this game. Zero suit Slutmus. Warheart, really known for being pretty emotional player. Let's see if he can pull it off in this game. He's playing a very good character as well. You need to remember that. Dammate, det älskar dammit te, jag älskar dammte. Dammit te är gott att se, dammit te. Dusty tea. Dusty tea is my favorite tea of Simon tea, of Simon and tea.
We will be kicked out from this room because we are so smart.
Oh, that F smash. Oh, it almost killed. No.
Nice kill, just a little kill.
Forward air. Wow, he gets 2 of those. That's actually generally the only thing. Bye. The only thing Cox does as a link main or as a link player in teams. He just goes for random S smashes.
Yes.
I'm not complaining, since it's working. It's working on me. I almost every time jump into them or just run into them. So you can't blame him. He's doing it because it's been working out. Oh wow, will he die from that? Oh, he gets back. Wow.
The up smash from Miguel.
The up smash from Miguel's Rob kills at 1-2%.
And 1, 2, 3, 4 times.
Oh, let's see. Do we have a 1? No. Okay, a 2 over there, a 2 over there, a 3 over there. Okay. $4 for the up smash from Rob.
Chain.
Oh my god. Yeah, so you can see the F smashes definitely carry this game.
Yeah.
Tremendous reach and kill power. That's a great F smash. And it's especially good in teams because it's harder. We're dying over here. Just this.
I can very much Japanese.
I very Japanese desu ka? I Nipponese.
You're Japanese. I speak Japanese.
And that's also something he does a lot down there.
Oh, yeah.
He does it way too much. If you ask me, if you ask me, I must say he does it way too much. Understand? But if you, oh my god, he just tanks it with his face, not giving a single F. Oh, up air. Oh, will he kill his teammate? No, he doesn't. Oh, up air. Oh, up air. Yeah, another thing that's really great with Nessun teams is that since his PK Fire is so bad, he's probably resigned. He's kind of resigned to play like,
However,
kind of more like, I don't know how to say, but like his space is so good in doubles. Not only with his fair and his Ness, but his up air. His falling up air is insane in doubles because it's like I don't know. It's safe on shield, I assume. And it has immense kill power. He's an overall great pick in teams, having a lot of different ways to kill off your opponent with back air, up air, back air, up air, back throw, and sometimes even PK flash. I've actually seen that. Oh, up air, nice. As I've said. Nice. Okay. That was actually a kind of close game. I actually thought Miguel and Slip was gonna take that shit. Miguel looking extra crisp today, as he always does with his eyebrows. He has those sexy ass eyebrows, I just have to say.
so that was solid play by Warheart and Combox.
I'm out. Very good play from Warheart and Combox. Thank you. I'll be your commentator for the night. Bye bye. I like mindfuck my viewers. Do you like mindfuck your viewers too? The Robo Burner.
Scratching his head very much.
His head is very scratchable. If you consider asking me, what the fuck did I just say?
King is an ass king.
My king is very asking me of many questions. My lord. Oh, that's our new team name. My lord. The lords. I don't know. Mighty Smash Brothers. Yeah, just look at that pressure he has. And then he has, oh my god, the combos. Holy moly. And that almost kills. That kills. That definitely kills. Like, oh my god, Ness is just so good in teams. As well, like, Link as well. Rob, not so much. Down? You mean up, you stupid ass fag. Smash will go from 100 to 0%, and the first to reach 0% die. Understand?
So Link is a mistake. No.
Oh my god, Rob is at his last 1 HP. Oh, and now he's dead. Dash kill. Oh, up air? Or no punish, just. What the actual F was that? That was the weirdest thing I've seen Miguel do.
Nice Lucas player.
He just Warheart is very good Lucas player, as you can see. Cox is very good Toon Link player as well. Miguel plays Baby Rob very good as well. Oh, up air. Oh my god. Oh, nice combo. Will he kill? No, what? I think Miguel is pretty flustered considering how he plays. Oh, and back air. Oh, and the up air. Nice. That will definitely seal in. That was a nice. That was a nice. Fucking or false. That was a nice.
I give forward Spanish.
Tänk om man kollar på det.
Nej, jag brukar inte kolla.
Jag ska skriva till honom, bara kolla på den här. Oh my god, han är värsta good guyen också.
Yeah, Foster is nice.
Foster is very nice. I'm sorry, Foster, please no hate me. No, oh god, just shut up. What stupid Greek? Oh, oh, huh?
Evakuera allihopa! Evakuera byggnaden!
Excuse me. As you can see, we are really good commentators. We're super serious every time of the year. Especially in the summer. Oh my god, I'm gonna sneeze again.
I will commentate for the second.
My name is Bill. I've been commentating the half match. Now I'm back again.
And now I'm not commentating here, I'm commentating on this match. Okay?
I'm commentating for the match. I will commentate half this match.
The game goes.
Is that JJ?
Oh.
Oh, no, no, no.
What?
Oh my god, I'm gonna sneeze.
What's the best of 5?
This är jävla jobbigt när det kommer och sen försvinner.
Ja. Ja. Blir det? Hallå, är det bäst av 5? Hallå,
My name is Bill. I can only speak in this episode. My name is Bill. My name is Bill. What is your name?
Don't worry, it's just Ebola. Oh my god, jab reset and no punish. Holy moly. Jab reset, no punish. Okay, I mean, Slam's Samus is looking really crips. Yeah. Crips. I like fishing crips. Oh, nice. He can just stand there and like smack. Oh my god. Oh no, he wanted to hit. Oh my god, so close. Don't worry, guys. It's just Ebola and AIDS. Half. Oh. Oh, and then let's see down air. Oh, up air. I thought it was gonna read air dodge and then down air. Nice.
It's so nice that this character even exists.
Oh my god.
Assist.
Assist a trophy. My name is Assist Trophy. I assist trophies. It makes sense. What the actual heck?
It was a
Oh no, up air.
mistake by close.
My name is Close Mistake by Close. Oh.
I've written this book.
I will close this. I will close mistake by close mis. Oh my god, the footstool! Oh my god! Oh no, down air, down air. He should down air here. Down air. Nice down air.
Oh, nice melee concept.
I think I might have screamed a little bit too high so that he heard, but who gives?
Yeah, you actually heard.
I have ears now, Mama. I have ears now. Fuck you, son. Fuck you, fuck you. Now go fuck yourself in your room. I don't want to see you for the rest of the night. Oh my god, that fair.
That fair is not fair.
That fair is no fair, senor. My name is Fair, and I am very fair. Oh, he tanks it with the throw armor. That's smart. Okay, but he dies.
I'm a bear.
I am a bear. I like beers, and I'm a bear.
I cannot bear this bear.
This Care Bear is very bearful to bear.
This bear's carrot is very carrot. Bear is very
Many carrots for the rabbits tonight, please. I have bought 3 new rabbits. Faggots. I named the first one Rabbit, the second one Nabbit, and the third one Faggot. Okay, no.
This faggot I odlat.
I odla faggot. Someone save us, please. Like, just replace our blades. Just replace our blades. Oh my god, is he dead? Oh, nice take. Oh! He shaved his ass. Link is known to have a really hairy ass, so it's good that Rob shaved it. Yeah, it's no, he's known.
Someone doesn't know who
That's
he
what they
is.
call him.
We
Like
call him
that's why his name is in Wind Waker, hero of hairy ass.
Oh yes, that's a
And
good point.
Ganondorf's name is evil to shave hairy ass.
That's a good point.
That's a good point. That's actually a legit theory.
Point.
Point, mate. 0.8%, mate. My fare does 0.8%, mate.
Let's see what the state is going to point at.
Oh, now you see a little bit of. Oh my god.
Oh, they're going duck and do, duck and do, duck and triple.
Duck and duo, duck and trio, duck and frio. Free Sam. Free Sam. Round. Undum där kommer. Nej, nej. Vänta.
Crossing the fucking line.
I'm right, mate.
No, no.
Oh my god.
Have we got any viewers?
No, not a single one. Jo det har vi. Nej det har vi inte. Jo det har vi. Nej det har vi inte. Jo det. Oj oj oj.
How do you even know?
Cancer my. Oh my god. I don't know because I'm not. It's not a stream actually. It's just recording.
Oh, so
Recording. We are saved from humanity saving ourselves.
This time.
This time I think we saved ourselves. Oh my god, almost.
This time we shaved ourselves.
We shaved our asses tonight. Tonight. Oh my god. Oh nice double fair. Oh no, the spike did not connect there. Unfortunate.
Unfortunate, mate.
That was very unfortunate.
Unfortunate,
A B punish. Oh no punish because of the wind. That is. Oh my god. He actually should have clanked with the F smash. Oh no up air, no up smash, no. Oh my god, back air. Wow, that is redonkulous. He can tank. Oh my god. Double F smash kill.
That's a good double kill, double smash.
Will he die from that? Oh god. So this is actually last game and it's kind of even. Okay, no, it's not even. Ness has two stocks. Ness has two stocks and the rest have one stock. So I guess, I mean, yeah, they're obviously in the lead, Combox and Warheart.
3 stocks to 2.
But I mean, he's pretty lightweight. They can kill him pretty early, especially Rob. This is definitely doable, at least. Oh, that F smash could have connected if he just dropped it there. Oh, will this kill? Reach the air dodge?
Yeah, this one doesn't.
No, it won't. No. It definitely, because he stalled it as well. It kills it around. Oh, he's dead anyways. This is actually, wow, they're actually kind of in the lead. If Slime does not die here and like manages to put on. Oh, nice. That is great. Okay, they're in the lead now. Or no, nah. No, they're not. Oh, I saw wrong.
This Rob cannot do anything by himself.
Oh, that is so risky, especially considering his percent.
Yeah,
He should stay back
actually, yeah, Rob should be
in front. Well, that's smart. That's a really smart strategy. Strategy here. Oh god! Look at! Oh my god! Will he survive?
Oh, yes.
Oh, up there! Oh my god! Oh my god, back here! Oh, will it kill?
No,
No, it won't. Okay, this is now they're in the lead, sort of.
now everyone is in the kill percent.
Yeah, this is so even.
Oh, yeah, by the way, everyone in this game has predictions.
Yeah. Oh my god. Holy shit, Warheart is mad. He really wants to win. He doesn't like losing. Oh my god! Oh my god, oh, he's dead. Nice. GG's. GG's. That's amazing. That's amazing.
The war is salty, even though we won.
Vill ni lira mot oss fast inte MM? Eller ej, ska vi lira mot dem MM?